I'm so tired of planning for, appointments to go for hair laser removal, and I spent a lot of money while doing all of that. And let me tell you something that changed my life. Hey beauties, my name is Rika and I'm a beauty and lifestyle journalist here at Beauty Insider. Now this is the SmoothSkin Pure Fit IPL hair removal. It's perfect if you want to get rid of hair from the body and even face. Now with a personal hair laser removal machine, you might be wondering, how do I control the flashes and won't it hurt my eyes? Trust me, there won't be any accidental flashes because you are entirely in control of the zaps. There's also a safety skin sensor to ensure the device only works on full skin contact to prevent accidental flashes. So you're completely safe. The skin tone sensors automatically detects and adapts power output to one's unique skin tone to prevent burns. It turns red when the skin isn't placed properly with the device, and it turns white when your skin is securely placed. And this is all thanks to the skin contact sensor. Now the most common question that I get that is pretty valid is whether or not it is safe for the eyes and the skin. And yes ma'am, it is. The UV filter ensures no harmful light reaches the skin, so you've got nothing to worry about. It is safe, convenient, and very easy to use. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!